everybody? What is going on? How's everyone doing today? It's not in here yet, but what's up, everyone? What's going on? We're early today. I think this is the earliest we started the stream. I kind of already did my pre-market, like looking at the market, so I'll just go through that now. But yeah, let's do that right now. We'll look at the 30-minute real quick, just to show you guys. So this is my area of interest right here. I could see price falling to here, depending on what Powell talks about. We got these two gaps over here, three gaps, but these two got filled already. Looking to fill this third gap here. We'll see how it goes. Unless Powell says rate cuts are coming, I will expect a drop because everyone is expecting rate cuts. So if we don't get them, then we may drop, right? Yeah, that's about it. That's all I'm looking at. It's pretty simple. We're gonna fill these fair value gaps along the way. These boxes I have here, areas of interest to call it. Yeah, let's see where market goes when it opens. And now we wait for market to open. Let me see if I could get, is there like a, is it on YouTube, Powell speaking? Well, let's see. I don't think it's live. I don't think it's like, yeah, I don't think it's live or anything. It's kind of wacky. Guess we gotta stay on the Twitter to see what's going on. I had such a delicious breakfast today, guys. I had a massive omelet. So people are taking shorts already. We only got to make $700 on the day, so like 30 points, which is not much at all. 30 points is very, very feasible. I would like to be done. Yeah, 30 points is not too difficult, so I mean it's hard, but like your boy can do it. So I want to be done stream at like 10 o'clock, right? Just like 30 minutes in and out. I will say if price will pass this point, I will take a short. And let's see. That's plenty of points. It's actually plenty. Let's even do it. That's fine. I don't need to greed it. On the flip side though, if markets do push up, I guess I'll take a buy over here. We'll see. I'm just putting that there for now. Nothing's getting filled yet, unless we, like the second Powell talks, we just go whoosh, and it already gets filled on the way. Which would be the most ideal scenario, assuming that it's gonna be a long-lasting, drop. This is on the real account today, guys. No games today. Making money. I made a little money in Asia session yesterday. I made $1,000 on this account, and I lost $1,200. So I made back $670. So I gotta make another $600 or $650, $700 today, just to get back to where I was, and then 2 more days of making $1,000 will be good. Passing the account this week, hopefully. Yo, what's Trump giving Tesla problems for? Come on, bro. My portfolio majority is Tesla. Like when it comes to my stocks. And Tesla is below the 300s again, bro. Oh man. It's unfortunate. It's so unfortunate. It's mighty swell unfortunate. I need my charger. My charger at. There we go. Why are we already dropping, bruh? Bro, it's very, very feasible for price to come into this area. Very, very possible. Market opens in 7 minutes. I'm never this early. It's pretty good. Pretty nice to be early. How's my mic sound? We good? Market opens in 7. Yeah, we sound fine. We sound alright. We got a lot of red stocks today. A lot of stocks opening in the red. I guess some people are scared. I mean, I don't think Powell's cutting rates anytime soon, though. Wow. Robinhood stock is freaking flying. It hit 97 today. That's wild. I knew I should have bought into that stock a long time ago. Five minutes remaining. I don't need these. Is that better for you guys? I feel like you guys can see it a lot better now. Everything's a lot bigger. Should be a little bit better for you guys actually. I don't need all these. Just 1 minute and 5 minutes should be fine. I could do a little something like this. Excellent, excellent. Alright, 1 minute. Powell will be talking soon. When do we know what he says? Like, why is it not on YouTube or anything? Like what's good with that? Powell speaking. Nah, bro, there's nothing live. I don't know what to say. Got this nice little trend line here so far. But yeah, if we see a sudden drop, then we take shorts. Otherwise, we're still bullish, I guess. I suppose we're bullish. Oh, pretty significant. Alright, 9:30. Market's officially opened. Looks like we're pushing up. But what did Powell say? I need to know what he said. What did he say? Actually, a nice fair value gap. Right over here. Oh, we just filled it. That's pretty funny. That is a crazy doji. I'm so happy I didn't enter it. I'm not stepping in like that. That. No. Settle down. There. What about you got? Type here. That could be for potential longs for the day. Throw it in the mix. really want to push up? Is that? I'll take a buy over here, honestly. I'll take one buy. If we fully fill in this gap, I'll take a buy over there. And if we surpass that, I will take a buy here as well. I'll just enter it. No need to be hasty. Yo, nice and early today. How we doing so far? Market just opened. He said wait and see. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. That's fine. Nice fair value gap on the 15-minute. Yeah, right over here. We did have a fair value gap below, but I guess he said wait and see. We're gonna target higher highs potentially because people are always gonna recover quicker than the market. So I guess we have bullish bias for the day now. I'll look for an entry, I guess. Not now. Market just opened 2 minutes ago. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes at least before I take an entry, and then your boy shall enter. Unless pricing drops, fills me, and then shoots up. But yeah, bro. I don't know for sure what he said. I have no idea what he said. Oh, you don't know? You're just assuming? He probably did say wait and see. Let me see Twitter. Nothing on Twitter yet. But looks like we're being bought up like crazy right now. But let's let this 5-minute candle form. I want to take one trade today, make 750 bucks or 30 points, whatever. I gotta hit my max limit today. I gotta make 1250 today. I made 669 so far. He starts talking. I googled it on YouTube. There's nothing. There's like I can't find anything. I would very much love to get a buy filled over here, but we'll see where price goes. So we got a doji so far for almost the first 5-minute candle is almost forming, and we have a doji. Fantastic. Yo, Jacob, your boy went to Shacharit today for the first time in 2 months. Your boy woke up and went. Miracles do happen. Alright, beautiful. We love seeing dojis like that. We don't, guys. Dojis suck. Okay, we rejected off the 200 EMA on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, we're just hugging the 9 EMA. And the 15 minute, we're kind of crossing over. Dude, you sent me a link? Really? What's up? Where'd you send it? Which link? Which link? The market is dropping so far, so maybe I can hop in for a quick scalp. Take a sell order there. Take like maybe like a 15-point scalp here. I don't see a link in chat. What do you mean? There's no link in chat. I'm looking at chat. There's no link. talking about? Bro says he sent the link. He didn't even put a link in. Oh snap! We're pushing through. Yeah, bro, I don't see it. Send it to me on WhatsApp or something. I don't see it in chat. Thank you, good sir. CNBC.
We have to continue to be extremely vigilant. We have to continue to be.
Did he already start talking? Oh, they didn't get him up.
So first of all, thank you so much for having us all here. We had a little bit of data today. Position to do that. So we are well equipped to navigate the tormented.
Thanks, Jacob. Yeah, it doesn't come in chat.
Chair Powell, tariffs are not yet showing up in inflation. Is this forcing you or your staff to actually rethink what the models say about how much the tariffs will ultimately...
That's why we're getting dojis. Everyone's waiting on what he's going to say.
So thank you, Francine. And Christine, thank you to you and your colleagues for putting on another great conference here today. It's been a pleasure. I guess I would start, if I may, by saying that the U.S. economy is in a pretty good position. Inflation has come down close to 2%. We're at 2.3 headline, 2.7 core. The unemployment rate is at 4.2%, so we're healthy overall. If you ignore the tariffs for a second, inflation is behaving pretty much exactly as we have expected and hoped that it would. We haven't seen effects much yet from tariffs, and we didn't expect to by now. We've always said that the timing, amount, and persistence of the inflation would be highly uncertain, and it certainly improved that. So we're watching. We expect to see over the summer some readings.
Wait and see, Jacob. You were right. We're bullish for today, I guess.
Or later, or sooner than we'd expected.
But, Chair, would the Fed have cut more by now if it weren't for the tariffs?
So I think that's right. In effect, we went on hold when we saw the size of the tariffs, and essentially all inflation forecasts for the United States went up materially as a consequence of the tariffs. So we didn't overreact. In fact, we didn't react at all. We're simply taking some time. As long as the U.S. economy is in solid shape, we think the prudent thing to do is to wait.
These dojis we're just getting here.
What those effects might be, and again, they haven't really shown up. So for now we're waiting.
Governor Ree, South Korea's economy is of course highly reliant on trade. Putting aside the deals that each government could do, can strike with the Trump administration, what can central banks in your position do to shield economies from the impact of trade tariffs?
Actually, about the tariffs impact on inflation, our current inflation is well stabilized around 2%, and we believe tariff tends to be deflationary rather than inflationary for three reasons.
Buyers are winning? Yeah, I'm also thinking we're bullish. The hopium is strong. We're going to look for longs today.
Import 22% of our import from China.
Oh yeah, we're going to look for longs today. We're going to look to fill in this fair value gap over here.
Has been falling at 5%.
Wait, let's see if this 5-minute candle closes above. We'll take long.
Growth rate is 0.8%, which is well below the potential growth rate. So aggregate demand pressure is much lower. So our problem is not the inflation itself, but the growth impact of tariff.
So what does that mean going forward?
You can't even enter on these things, bro. Look at this.
Easing cycle, and we cut down interest rate 100 BP from last October.
Imagine you entered anywhere here in the last 10 minutes, bro. You're chopped.
But recently, financial stability risk has been rising, especially housing price in metropolitan area is increasing very fast. So we are keeping.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm not rushing.
And deciding
I'm gonna get a good trade, good entry, get out, end stream by 10:15, 10:30, hopefully, and then go to the gym.
Why are you so confident that
That's right, Jacob. Yeah, it could be it's filling this and it's gonna drop. We'll see.
Oddly enough, it has a bit of a history with sort of state the obvious. The reasons it's gone up is really entirely due to so-called administered prices. That's an increase in prices, don't get me wrong, but it's not telling us much or anything about the context of the economy. In other words, it's not telling us anything really much about the balances of supply and demand in the economy.
It actually filled this gap perfectly
Are
already.
we going to get second round
So we'll
effects
see.
from this pickup? And of course, it's nothing like the pickup of a few years ago, just to be clear. And my judgment is at the moment is that the context is different, that we do see evidence, and I see some signs of softening in the economy, I see signs of softening in the labour market. We are going to have to see those come through, though. I mean, come through into prices. I think we've still got to see the evidence and the prices. But that background context allows certainly me to say, look, I think the direction continues, interest rates continues to be downwards.
When you look at all the uncertainty, again, it's a bold call given what happened to oil prices and trade negotiations.
It is. I mean, I would say two things on that. One, I think as others have said, it's probably, James saying, I think it's a bit too soon, I think, really to see the price effects coming through from the trade and tariffs.
I will take a short here actually.
We made a point
If
to
price
say
comes
that
down to here, I'll take a short.
Steve was saying that these are two-sided.
Small
They can go
position.
either way. Could be weaker demand. We
I want
could
to see
see
price
some
come down to
supply
here.
chain disruption. And the second thing, of course, is that
20 points.
some of these effects, if you take the oil price story from the beginning, it's gone up, it's come down.
I don't want to get filled like that though.
So,
It's not a good way to get
we
filled.
always reach for the lexicon at this point. I mean, we've added unpredictability to uncertainty. I was slightly amused at the introductory film this morning with Christine saying all these words because it's true. Because not only are we getting uncertainty in the sense, the range of outcomes, but unpredictable in the sense that if you get things like tariff action, history really is
Dumping.
You could go into that actually. You can't really draw much from the past on that.
Question is how far will we
You're in a
dump?
slightly different situation, right? Japan CPI has stayed above 2% for 3
Yeah,
years
it's,
now. What do you see as
can't enter
fundamental
here.
changes in your
If this
economy
buy order
that
gets
the
filled,
inflation
I'd
process
like that. But
So let me say, to put it simply, as you say, headline inflation has been above 2%.
no, I agree 100%. There isn't really any good entries here. We're creating a fair value gap on the 1 minute though.
Underlying inflation is still
No, forget this. Let this play out. I don't know why I'm rushing. I'm hasty. Let this play out. Give me the setup I want to see, and I'm going to take the trade I want to take.
Three components to it. First, there's underlying inflation dictated by wage price dynamics, whereby increases in prices affect wages. which
See, if I entered short where I had my sell, I would have got screwed over potentially.
This component has been growing up slowly. But as I said, it's still somewhat below 2%. Then there's going to be perhaps a second component, which will be the expected negative effects of possible tariffs
Take a sell order here though.
on the economy and prices. We are expecting this to take place, but we haven't seen that yet. There's a third component, which is domestic supply shock generated by increases in food prices.
See.
Actually, this.
If I don't get filled, I don't get filled. There's no reason
accounts for
to.
about 50% of the headline inflation we've got at the moment. So, letting these three, we think the first component and the second component will produce a slow increase in underlying inflation toward 2% by end 26 or 27. The third component, food inflation, is going to subside toward the year end. So that we will be closely monitoring the interplays between these three.
Nah, no more potential for it anymore.
Order filled.
Alright, and we are in.
Wow.
We're not going to risk $500 because that would be insane. I'm only going to risk. I'm going to go low risk on this, 200. Because if we just keep staying in this chop, I don't want to be a part of this. I don't want to stay in this trade if we're going to keep chopping, to be honest. If I have a bad entry right now, oh well, I thought this was a good position to take. This is the first trade of the day. I'm going to get stopped out, I think. Just chop. I shouldn't. I thought honestly that we were gonna go down lower, but we'll see. By the time I put this thing on, I'm gonna get filled. Yeah, hit my stop loss. Let's see. Don't need to make 1500. This is the only trade. If this trade wins somehow, then we're done for the day. Risking 200 to make 680. First trade of the day. Let's see how it goes. And get stopped out in like 10 seconds, not even. It's like a 1 to 3 ratio here. No bueno. What about here? You like the setup? I also do. It's a little bit of a gamble, but we'll see if price pushes downwards here. I took the setup because I saw downward selling pressure. We had kind of a retest, and I want to fill in this fair value gap here on the 1 minute. So if we don't get stopped out, which looks pretty decent so far, I don't want to jinx anything. Yeah, this could be a pretty good setup. If we keep pushing down, that is. But it's so easy to get, yeah, it is easy, but for a trade like this, I wouldn't risk more than what I'm risking. Because if we continue to chop, then there's no reason to have more of a stop loss. Alright. This actually could be very good. Come on now. I want us to break through the 90 EMA, go down further.
Order filled.
Woo! See, bro? It just wrecked anyone that went short or long here. That was a liquidity grab. I have no idea where price wants to go right now. I don't know. It's too unpredictable right now. We have a not even a fair value gap really. Are we bullish now? Yeah. Yeah, I was saying, I thought price would come down here. Alright, now we gotta make $750. Be like that. You think it's gonna go down? Let's see. Doji, red candle, green candle, just, oh shoot, we're bullish? Yeah, but like, yo, if I would have got stopped out there unless I had a $600 stop loss. Having a $600 stop loss for a $600 profit is not a good ratio. Like, it's terrible. Like, you don't want to be risking $600 to make $600. You know what I'm saying? Never mind, we bullish. Bro, I have no idea, bro. We're just chopping. Any patterns forming here? Alright, we officially filled that gap in. Pushing up in a pretty corrected manner. You can look at these wicks, you can see how it's moving up in a good way. We bullish, I'm not bullish, the market is. If we go below this candle, I'm taking a sell order. Otherwise, I'll look for buy orders. We're just moving. It's fine. We'll have a retest at some point. I would assume. Oh, doji. We might reverse. Still bullish. If we pass those wicks, if this candle flips and turns green, or we get another green candle up, I'll enter long. If this gets filled, I'll enter short. Very, very simple rules I have here. We don't fight the market. We go with where the market wants to go. We don't know the future, but we can set ourselves up. If this 5-minute candle closes above where we opened, then that's pretty good. But it doesn't look like that's happening as of right now. We're 0 for 1 on the day though. It's kind of whack. I could only lose another 1,200 on this account before I blow it. I really don't want to do that. Oh, we got some fight in this. We gonna get filled? Kinda scared to get filled here. If we get filled, I mean, like, I could see it happening. Nine EMA just crossed over the 200 EMA on the 1-minute chart. Alright, we have to make $769 divided by 20 bucks a point. I need a almost a 40-point move. Great question. Who is in the stream? I don't want to get filled like that. It's not. I can't do trades like that anymore. I used to trade like that. It's not a good method. You just enter on the retest. I will take a buy though did we close? Alright, we did close above it, so this could be a retest. In which case I will take a buy if we push up again. Because we had a retest, right? This is the highest market open. This is the highest market was in the first 5 minutes. This is the first candle closure above that. This can be retesting that zone again, and if we have confirmation that we're going to push up further, I'm going to enter in long. That's my thought process here. Okay? We found support on the 200 EMA on the 1 minute. We are above the 90 EMA on the 5 minute. And on the 15 minute, we also potentially could be pushing through. So we'll see if we get a buy. Oh, price is just not having it today, yo. I guess we shorting. Yeah, I don't know what to do. You got a meeting? Alright, I'll see you later, Jacob. Enjoy. See if I can get entered. Actually, see if we break through on the 5-minute EMA. On the 5-minute, if we break through the 9 EMA on the 5-minute, that's a pretty solid indication that we may go down, potentially. Five-minute candle closes in a minute, so that's good. Not getting in early, not risking it, it's not worth it.
Order filled.
I don't know what just happened. That is a crazy candle. But we got filled. We got a buy order. Wow, that was so fast. I was not expecting a doji like that to come out of nowhere. Holy smokes. I'm scared to risk like more than 300. It's just in the candle, like, oh, this is so, I did not expect that. That was so out of nowhere. Okay. Alright. Let's go. We need... Alright. We are long on NASDAQ. One contract. Oh my god, we're gonna get stopped out again, bro. It's just not my day, is it? Not my day. I did not expect that doji candle to come out of nowhere like that. That was crazy.
Order filled.
That was crazy, yo. Maybe my stop should have just been here, dude. Of course we push up now. I don't know. I don't know. Got a trend line forming here though. And it was a freaking doji in the end, dude. Like, where's price going? Where the freak is price going? I'm taking one more trade today, guys. Calling it a day. Man, I wanted today to be an easy trading day. Gotta have my Celsius and go to the gym. It's chopped. I think that's the last trade I want to take for the day. This setup. If price is gonna come down to here, I'll take this setup and call it a day. Filled in that gap.
Order filled.
Alright, we're short on Nasdaq for a quick little small trade. Only risking 125 for this trade. And we're gonna target this fair value gap where I want to get filled. So low risk to medium reward. Won't even greet it like that. I want to make 570. Risking 125 to make 570. Hopefully we don't get stopped out on this. So I'm tired of losing my trades today. Okay. And do we push up, bro? The second I enter, market is such a flip-flop today, bro. Such a flip-flop. I'll risk 150. That's I'm not risking more than that on this.
Order filled.
Oh man, yo. Lost 600 bucks so far. I don't know what to do, chat. I have no idea. I'm losing everything I made. I'm losing everything I walked into today with. Stupid chop, bro. It's just chopping up, down. Now we're bullish, now we're bearish, now we're bullish, now we're bearish. It's pissing me off. I was up 669 today. Now we're up 115 only. I gotta make a band now. I'm gonna make $1,000. Can we just have one nice trend? Can you follow your rules? Terrible. If this 5-minute closes above this red candle, then we can go long. I'll say we have bullish engulfing candle, they call it. No idea what price wants to do. Of course, now we start dumping. Alright, let my order get filled. That's what I want. I want this buy order to get filled. I'm not taking any other type of trade today. This is the only trade I'm taking for the rest of the day, I think. This buy order, if it gets filled or not. It's only a good trade setup, I see. I do want to take a short here. If it gets filled, it gets filled. Man, it's not good. It's so not good. I can't believe I lost $600 so far. We're in a downward trend right now, is what I can see though. Or is it a bull flag? I don't know.
Order filled.
Okay. Oh my god, bro. The second I enter, we get crazy bullishness. You know what? Gonna raise 300 to make 660. 300 to make 675. 1-to-2 ratio. Short on NASDAQ again. And price just does the exact opposite of the position I take. I'm gonna risk heavy. I'm gonna risk 500. I'll risk 4.
Order filled.
I didn't move it in time. These trades are so bad. Oh my god. Guys. I'm losing all my trades. And we're freaking flying now. I might start playing a little risky. I might just take 5 contracts, guys. I'm not even joking. This is ridiculous. At the right time, though. Not yet. Not yet. I'm just gonna full send it, dude. I'm full sending 5 contracts. That's it. The heck is that? Crazy wick. Crazy.
Order filled.
I don't want to hear it, guys. I don't want to hear it. Short on NASDAQ, 5 contracts. There's more of a scalp right over here. I'm risking 1,000. I'm not risking 1,000. I'm gonna change that. Risking 650 to make 825. Quick little scalp here. No, don't do it to me. Oh man, don't do it, please. Please, come on. Can one trade go for me today, please? Just one trade at least. Alright, nice, it's good. It's good. Could probably target more now that I see we're falling. Let me just, I'm not gonna secure a profit just yet. Bit too soon. I will secure just, I'll move to break even for now, just in case. $25 profit, whatever. Yeah. Let's target this candle right here, right above the 9 EMA. Let's target it. Yes, yes, yes. Let this be it. Let this be it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Probably targeting more. I'm gonna greet it. I don't want to hear it, guys. I'm greeting it. I'm so greedy.
Order filled.
Yes! Done! We're done on the day. We locked ourselves out automatically, so we don't overtrade. That trade made us $1,500. Locked out of the account. We're done for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the... Actually, I don't know if I'm streaming tomorrow. I might not be trading tomorrow. But, in any case, have a great day, y'all. And I'll see you guys. If not tomorrow, I'll see you Thursday. Bye-bye.